Okay, so what we're going to do is clone a Windows 2008 machine. We're going to Vcenter to do that. If I can get my typing right. Okay. Okay, I just want to take this 2008 R2 server and set it up as a standalone server. I'm then going to convert that to an AD controller on its own domain. So I've got this R2 server already built here that I've been using to create these other 2008 R2 machines. So we'll do the same again. So if I right click here and I choose clone, I now choose the name of that new machine, so I'm going to kill that AD-SVR test. Select next, which host you want to install that on. I've only got one host here at the moment, so that's the host I'll select. We can put it onto the local data store here. I don't have any iSCSI or NFS or fiber connections at the moment, so we can only just select the local data store. But this is the important bit: we do need to customize the Windows 2008 R2 installation. The important thing is that Sysprep is run on these servers. In my experience with Windows XP and Windows 7, there's no need to Sysprep those machines, but you must Sysprep the servers. If you don't, you're going to run into terrible problems. Problems that you won't be able to find a fix for, because the problem is it hasn't been Sysprep. Not being able to ping a machine, not being able to log in, permissions not working, those sorts of things. So it's important that you Sysprep the machine. So we use a customization wizard to do that. Fill these details out. What do I want to call that? AD-SVR test. The initial name we put in was for the physical name of the guest. Sorry, the name shown in Vsphere 5. So that was here. This one we're putting in here is the actual name of NetBIOS, name of the machine. Not putting in a product key. I need to give it a default password for the administrator account. Can automatically log them in administrating a few times just to make things a bit easier, which I shall choose your time. I'm in England, so there we go. Do you want add any run one command scripts? I don't in this situation. Typical network settings is fine for this. I don't want to add it to a domain, but you can add it to a domain there. Put in your domain administration details, and that will add as it's Sysprep, but I just want a clean build here, so I'm going to just put that into the work group. This is the important bit: you must have that ticked, or this is the whole point of running Sysprep. So next there, do you want to save the script? No, not in this instant. The script for creating the Sysprep. So next there, click finished, and here we're presented with the details on what we're about to do. You can edit the settings of the machine here, but this we've discussed in another video. I mean, does it need more memory? Do you want to add an extra hard disk or any other hardware? But again, we're not going to do that in this circumstance, so we'll leave that unticked and we'll just click finished. And here we go. We'll see the 2008 R2 machine now at the bottom here just being created. We'll just pause the video. As we can see down the bottom here, that server is slowly being cloned, so I'll just pause the video. Right, as we can see, that clone is now completed. That's basically about it. There's nothing more to do with that clone apart from power it up and use it.